Today I'm going to be filming my everyday makeup tutorial. Well, it's the easiest makeup tutorial I know for me, and just another thing, I don't do makeup every day. I'm just not used to it because of school and uni and work, but I've always wanted to be one of those people that did their makeup every day, that at least bothered to do something, and I thought this would be the best way to actually, this might be the best way to actually get into routine and try and do at least something every day. Now, I'm just gonna show you. I have nothing on my face. This is how I look without makeup. Basically almost every day. If I actually have to go somewhere, like a birthday party or, you know, visit family or something, I might actually put something on and put also put some, you know, accessories and other stuff on. This everyday makeup in particular is not something I would advise to do for weddings. Even on weddings I try to add more to my makeup routine, but this is definitely something that's quick and easy to do for, you know, family visits, birthday parties, and going to the grocery store, or, you know, things like that. Now let's start. The first thing that I do is actually add concealer to my face, I don't use foundation when I do everyday makeup, at least now, just because I think it would take even longer to blend it out. So what I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Fit Me in 10 and the Rimmel Matte Perfection in 10. So let's start. And I'm gonna be using a Sedona Lace 217 brush to blend this all out. I don't know if you can see, but it's already showing. I'm gonna be adding some of the Rimmel Matte Perfection Concealer. And let's see. It's too much. I could actually use this for my nose and my cheeks. I do have some discoloration on my cheeks. It's basically veins, red veins. And I'm using the same brush to blend this concealer out. I picked my nose yesterday, which is why I have some redness on there. And I'm using what I have left on my brush, on my chin. Now, next step would be adding bronzer. I'm using a cream bronzer. It's not a bronzer actually, it's a foundation. It's from Maybelline, the Dream Matte Mousse makeup in number 16 Vanilla. And it's a bit dark for me, which is why I'm gonna be using it as bronzer. Now to put this on my face, I'm gonna use the Zoeva Petit stippling brush. Just take some onto your brush and then add it onto my cheeks. It's in my hair. Next step would be adding blush. You don't have to do this because I already added some of that Maybelline foundation on my cheeks. But I'm still gonna add Porcelain Rose from, yeah, Maybelline. It's the old lipstick. It's one of the old ones. I don't know if you can see. This is too pale for me, for my skin. It doesn't look good on me, which is why I'm using it as a blush. I'm just gonna, I don't know if you can see, it looks like a highlighter, and it adds some sheen to the cheeks so I don't look dead. And I'm gonna use the same Zoeva brush that I used for bronzing to blend this into the bronzer. There we go. Some nose. Okay. I'm just gonna use some mascara. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Lash Sensational and take some of the product off. Just add some of that. And I'm not gonna curl my lashes because my lashes don't curl. I probably should get a lash lift or something. No. Proud of myself. I kept my mouth closed. But I do have some mascara on my cheeks now. I'm gonna actually let it dry and remove it later on. Now the last, almost second to last step would be lips. And I'm gonna be using the lip liner I mentioned in my favorites video. It's the Extreme Last lip liner from Manhattan in the shade 59Y. I'm just gonna add a little bit of color to my lips because my lip line isn't very defined. Just a little bit. And I'm not gonna overline or something. And then I'm gonna add some Babysoft nipple oil onto my lips. gonna let this one out as well. Last step would be eyebrows. I'm not gonna add more color to my eyebrows. I'm just gonna use this Alverde eyebrow gel, and I don't know what else it says because the packaging has come off, so it's a clear eyebrow gel. I'm gonna push up. Same thing on this side. And if you added too much, just use Spoolie to brush through. Now, we're finished. This would be my everyday makeup tutorial. It's really easy. I think it had only 5 steps or so, and it takes you about 5-6 minutes to do it every morning. I don't do it myself, but I try to. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video.